So down here in Sydenham in southeast London. This is another project we'll be starting in the next couple of days. So what we're going to be doing on this project is we're going to be removing all of the paint from all of the brickwork on the lower part of the property. So we'll be using a doff machine to get rid of all of the paint off all of the brickwork all the way through on this ground floor of the property, all around the archwork, all around the front door, all around the bay as well. Then on the top elevation and middle elevation, what we're going to be doing is brick cleaning all of the brickwork up on these two top lifts. So I'll show you upstairs. So taking all this old sand and cement, pointing out lots of bad brick repairs have been done in the past, repairs done in sand and cement. So clean all of this brickwork, change all of the bad bricks, repoint it in natural lime mortar. I think there's still some remaining original parts of the tuck pointing in areas that the property was tuck pointed in a long time ago. There you can see parts of the original tuck. So we'll do some samples for the customer and see what their preferred choice style of pointing is. Again, you can see how many bricks are all quite starting to spool and crumble away. Areas now with just no pointing in whatsoever. All of the window sills, get all the loose flaky paint off all of the window sills, square up all of the window sills. Decoration too, all of the stonework on the bay. Same sort of thing again, with the stonework it's all badly blistered and peeling away, so that's going to have to all come off before we can think about doing any preparation to the stonework. I think there'd be quite a few bricks on this to cut out and replace in areas. Let's have a look at the top elevation, see what we got going on up there. But this is going to look really nice when it's all finished. Okay, top elevation. Same sort of thing, a few cracks in bricks here and there. Get some nice new air vents to go in when needed. Paint all of this rough cast render on the top here. See what we can do with these gaps where the windows are not being fitted tight up to the render. So see what we can do that for the client now. Yeah, look at that, same sort of thing, just been filled in with mastic, so we'll come up with a better way of protecting the inside of the property. Yep, all good. So that's going to look perfect when this is all cleaned and repointed and decorated. And I believe we've got a little bit of work to do on the side of the property. Let's have a little look at that. I think we're doing all the woodwork here as well. That's all going to be decorated. All the balustrades and all painted white. And around this corner, I believe we are doing repointing this section of the wall. It's all been repointed in cement. All the bricks are spooling as well. And the customer's talking about possibly doing the side elevation of this. It was all repointed, I believe he said around about 2 years ago, but it's all been done in sand and cement, and he's getting a lot of damp now coming through where that solid wall can't breathe. So we'll look at that for him. A lot of cracking going on where the mortar's so hard for the brickwork. So yeah, another big project. Looking forward to getting this one underway next week, and we'll show you some more progress, how we turn this one around in the next couple of weeks. Keep you posted. So if you've got any questions or you'd like a free quotation for any of our services that we offer, please give us a call, get in contact, and we'll be more than happy to assist you with any further inquiries that you do have. Thank you very much. So we're down here in Sydenham on our restoration project we're currently working on. So lads have been progressing really well over the last couple of weeks. What we've done so far was we removed all of the paint from all of the brickwork on the ground floor of the property. Once all of the paint was removed on the ground floor, We cut out and replaced all of the damaged bricks with lovely matching imperial bricks. We've repointed all of the brickwork in a penny roll style in natural lime mortar. Once again, perfect finish to the brickwork as always. Lads are painting all of the stonework now, put a new plinth on the base of the property, rub down, decorating all of the masonry. Rebuilt front pier on the front here. Lots of repair work, rebuilding all of the pier on the front of the property. Round on the side, cut and replaced all of the damaged bricks. Repointed all of that in a penny roll finish. Looking really, really good. Customers are actually over the moon with how this project's looking. Really happy. All decoration work, all the balustrades, all the render work. Upstairs, same sort of thing. All the brickwork's been cleaned, all been repointed. As you can see, all the detail once again on the brickwork, looking spot on as always. Same sort of thing upstairs. All the pebble dash all been repaired and repainted. But so far so good. Quality of the work once again is outstanding. Got the roofers coming in next week to do a bit of downpipe and lead work on the front of this property. But what a massive transformation we've done so far here. Filled in all the gaps all around the windows, where the sash window company didn't fill in any of the gaps around the windows. All the new windows really complement the brickwork really, really well. So just a bit of downpipe and guttering to be done downstairs. And then this one will all be wrapped up, ready for the next one to start. And then we've got spittle carpentry work to do downstairs as well. I'll show you what we've got to do downstairs. Where I had a leaky downpipe in the corner, it's all blown there, so we're going to have to replace all of this timber up here and then paint all of that wood just to finish everything off. But this job's come out amazing as always. Lads have done a really good job. Like I say, customers are over the moon. Would have finished the property, and another project finished to the highest standard as always. So if you like the look of this project and you'd like a free quotation for any of our services that we offer, please give us a call, get in contact, and we'd be more than happy to assist you with any further inquiries you do have. Thank you very much.